Hi, this tutorial will focus on external data source actions. So let's first make a copy of our 1.05 workflow. Right-click and you choose Copy here. Select your newly copied workflow, right-click on it, select Rename and name it 1.06. Next, we run the workflow. So the objective is to push these 109 records into an external data source. Let's close or hide our Model Explorer, open our component palette, and search for the external data source. You see there's two external data source actions. We're going to use the right external data source, so click, drag and drop it next to the summary. Make your source in your property editor the summary, and before we assign it to an external data source, we have to create the database. Click Save here, show your Model Explorer, expand data and expand external data sources. Right-click on external data sources and select New. We'll call this one 106_summary. The type will be SQLite and select Create. The table name will be Summary. For type, you'll notice we can create a variety of different external database types. For this example, we'll stay on SQLite. Select your project and click Save. You can then collapse the data folder. Click back on your workflow and hide your Model Explorer. Click on the right external data source action, and in the drop-down for an external data source, select New External Data Source. Now, right-click on the parameter on your canvas, choose Edit, and choose your external data source here, and click Save. Click on the action and click F8. So that successfully pushed all of this data into an external data source. Now, let's go ahead and read it. To read an external data source, you need to drag and drop this action onto your canvas. Then there'll be a new result coming out, so we will need to do a new table. I could either link it right to this one or just create another parameter. This time, I'll create another parameter. Right-click here, choose your external data source, and click Save. That's it. Finally, just click F8. And now we have read the external data source. You can start building a workflow just from the external data source and then have further actions to perform whatever you need to do on these records. Once again, thanks for watching.